Hey friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's prepare strawberry milkshake. It tastes exactly like strawberry and cream frappuccino. To prepare this, take 1 cup strawberries, wash and cut it in halves. 1.5 cup vanilla ice cream, 1 cup milk, strawberry syrup and whipped cream. First take strawberries and blend it. Then add ice cream and milk to it and blend it well. Now pour little bit syrup to the inner border of glass and spread it. Then pour the shake and top it with whipped cream, and yummy strawberry shake is ready. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day ahead. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.